I was just going to start cutting the lawn before the rain started, and I looked for my primer bulb and it's just not there. It must have dropped off yesterday. So I really had to mow, and I looked for the primer bulb all over the fields and where I was cutting yesterday. Couldn't find it, so I came up with a little solution. Let me just go a little closer. That's where the primer bulb's supposed to fit, in there. So I just got a syringe and pumped it a couple of times. And I'm just going to carry this in my pocket.